Hi everyone, for today's video I have an unboxing from Your Creative Studio. They sent me their November kit and I'm really excited about this because I love vintage, especially when it comes to creating journals. So I cannot wait. I did film this earlier, but my battery died on me, so I have to start over. So the packaging has already been opened, but I'm going to share with you the rest. So here's the card. Really cute. I love this. Totally going to reuse this on something. Love the deer. Okay, so this is the packaging. It came in this really pretty paper. I don't know if they stamped on this paper, but it's so pretty. So I'm just going to remove all the stuff out of the box. And just take everything out. So again, this is a really pretty paper it was wrapped in. You can totally reuse this. You can make an envelope out of this or a little pocket and add it to your journal, or even make it as a page. Would be really pretty. All right, so again, I had already opened the stamps, so I'm going to show you. Here's one of them. So it's wrapped in this really nice envelope, which I'm definitely going to reuse. Look how beautiful that is. That's so pretty. So Your Creative Studio has a really nice vintage flair to their products, and I really like it a lot. Again, especially because I love vintage style. So this is really nice stamps that you can stamp onto anything basically. Make a card, stamp on your journaling, make some really pretty bookmarks, stamp on, like I think how they did on a piece of paper. Makes a good wrapping. Here's another one that they sent. Little tiny cling stamps of these different moose or deers. So really pretty. And it looks like they're red rubber stamps, which is really nice. So another one, really tiny, really cute. So this would look really cute on a small tag. Really pretty. So there's that one. Here's another one. This one's actually washi tape. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? It's really pretty washi. Love that. That's beautiful. She'll leave it out there. And this is another cling stamp. Really nice. And look at this one. This one's really beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Again, it's red rubber. That's beautiful. All right, so it looks like they sent some paper. Looks like this is like a vellum. Really nice quality vellum paper. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at that. You can see that image. That's really pretty. And there's this one. This would make a really nice envelope or pocket. That's beautiful. This one, the pretty flowers on it. The leaves. That's gorgeous. Oh, this one's pretty. Look at that. I love this. This is really nice paper. I think this is either, this has to be either vellum or wax paper. The way it feels is very nice. Really great quality. Love this. Love the green. That's beautiful. And those are 6x6. And looks like they sent me some note cards. Let me try to open this. Try to open this up. Okay, so yeah, these are note cards. Look at that. That's pretty. It's perfect for journaling. Look at those. So it looks like you get a bunch from each of these. I love that. The lined paper. So you get this design. You get this one. Looks like a ticket. And then there's this design with the dots. And then there's this design. Pretty. And look, you get a bunch. Nice. This one looks like, what are these? They're cards? Oh, they're cards or stickers? Wait, what does this say? Oh, they're cards. Let's see. I like the box. Box is pretty. Oh, it's like a matchbox. Oh, cute. Oh, this is nice. That. Oh, how cute. This is Disneyland. That's cool. Oh, I love this. So you get all sorted different kinds of little cards. Oh, I'm loving this. Look at that. Oh, and it's like a Disney. Looks like it's a Disney theme. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. This is actually so perfect because my kids are going to Disneyland with their cousins. Oh my gosh, this is neat. And I could make a little journal for them. Wow, this is cool. I love this. Look at that. Disney World. All right, all you Disney's fans out there, you got to get this. This is really cute. Wow. And there's tons in here. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I love that. Oh, it fits all in this cute little matchbox. That's cute. I love that. Okay, so there's that. And then this looks like a bookmark. It's like a magnetic bookmark. This is really cute. So you can take this out. Yeah, it's a magnetic bookmark, so you can add this to your journal. Cute. Yeah, it's magnetic. That's so cute. Love that. And then here we have some stickers. Those are really pretty. Those are beautiful. And then looks like these are, what are these? These more stickers? I think these are more stickers. Yeah, this must be more stickers. So it looks like you get a lot of sheets. Oh no, what are these? Oh, I think these are rub-ons. Oh yeah, I think these are rub-ons. But look how pretty that is. Look at that. That's beautiful. There's this one. That's beautiful. It looks pretty on like envelopes especially, or even on like the edge of the like letters. That'd be cute. These are pretty. I'm most positive these are rub-ons. Let's say it's really pretty. And then we have these. I think these are stickers. Look how pretty those are. Love that. Oh wow, look at these. These are tags. Okay, these are pretty. Hold on, let me open it real quick. Okay, these tags. Oh, I think they're all the same. Oh yeah, they're all the same. But you get a bunch of them. Pretty, and they're really nice, thick tags. Really thick. Hear that cardstock. Wow, those are beautiful. Love those. Matches my nails. Cute. And then these are sticky notes. Look how pretty that is. So let's take that out. So I'm definitely going to make a little journal because all these pieces go perfect for a journal. That's pretty. Look at that. Pretty sticky notes. I love the little packaging. It's pretty too. Really pretty. I love that. And then these are original decorative stickers. So it looks like these are postage stickers. That's pretty. Yeah, so check them out. Your Creative Studio. I'll put all the information down below. And you can totally reuse this. Add that to your journal. But look at these cute postage stickers. Isn't that cute? Oops. Pretty birds. Looks like you get 2 of each. This one's a cute little kitty. Cat. Little bird. It's cute. Got penguin. So it looks like these are all like animals. They have animals on all these. Really cute. Oh, look at the kitty. Some more penguins. And again, these are stickers. Oh, cute. More penguins. Yeah, so be sure to check them out. Your Creative Studio. Thank you so much for sending me this amazing package. I love the vintage style that they have. And these are really beautiful. Oh, look at the whale. That's pretty. Cute little owl. They're so nice. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Yeah, so check them out. Your Creative Studio is the shop. And again, these are their monthly boxes, subscriptions that they have. And be sure to check them out. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.